Curacha Crabs. Steam Curacha Crabs. Kain na, Saladmaster lovers. Sauce niya. Alavar, Zamboanga's sauce. Let's boil it. Let's simmer it. Simmer the coconut cream sauce with spices po daw na Alavars, Zamboanga's coconut sauce. Simmer it using your 5-quart roaster pan. And then later yung steamed Zamboanga's Curacha Crabs lalagay natin dyan. Curacha. Yan ang pangalan ng grupo namin ni Sis Jo and La Victoria. O, diba? Kaya lang, wala siya dito. Ang kakain kami lang. Kami nila Mama Linda, nila Jane, tsaka ni Jing Jing, tsaka si Jeff. Ang ating ginger, hindi po nagigisa with oil. Cut into 4 yung curacha. Ayan, curacha. Ilagay na natin dyan. Chops na ano po. Curacha. Okay. Mixing with the sauce. Another curacha crab. Ayan. Lagay mo lang yung curacha crab. The Alavar sauce. Sa ating roaster pan. 5 quarts Saladmaster. Simmer. Guys, we're done na with our steamed Curacha Crabs with Alavars sauce. Super sarap. Alavar sauce pala. Zamboanga's Alavar sauce. The Saladmaster way. Tanggal ang lansa. Ang sweet pa ng taste nung pagkaluto natin. Guys, let's eat. Happy healthy cooking guys. Bye!